Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Vlogs. Today I'm coming out with very popular waterfalls which is in Switzerland called Rhine Falls. Okay, I want you to experience this excitement before I start talking about it. I'm sure now this has entered your bucket list. Welcome back again. Rhine Falls is located on the High Rhines, on the border between the cantons of Schaffhausen and Zurich. Good time to visit will be summer. Normally July and August will be full of visitors. It will be lively. We traveled from Zurich. We stayed in Zurich and traveled from there. Zurich will be center place and convenient place to stay and go around Switzerland. Road journey from Zurich will take less than 2 hours. However, this road journey will be memorable. You can see agricultural lands all around you. I will leave you now for a while till we reach Rhine Falls. Till then, you experience the road journey and feel the journey with us. So we are reaching the place in a while. Closest city for this place is Schaffhausen. Even you can choose to stay over there and visit the place. Rhine Falls is most powerful waterfall in Europe. So a little bit more about this waterfalls. This waterfalls is 500 feet wide and 75 feet height, and the river is Rhine River. So finally we are reaching. This location has enough facilities, restaurants and washrooms, and enough seats. You can sit, relax and watch the falls. Most importantly, this has boat ride. Without boat ride, guys, Rhine Falls is incomplete. Boat ride is not that expensive. There are shared boats with skilled helmsmen, and he will ensure that each one of us will experience the thrill of Rhine Falls. While waiting for the boat, a little bit more about Switzerland. Switzerland has four main languages, official languages. German is the mostly spoken language, and other languages are French, Italian, and Romanish. Now, most awaited thrilling boat ride is going to start. Awaited in the sense it's not longer waiting period. The waiting is also thrilling. You can see swans, fishes, nice river, and very good nature, cleanest form of nature. It's not at all boring. We were all really excited. We were not even imagining what's going to happen in this boat ride. We cannot even imagine. The first one will be onward journey, very close to the Rhine Falls. you will see that water will splash on you and boat will continue. On the way return again, it will take us to the same point and make us all feel the same experience. Guys, anything more is not possible. We cannot express this in words. We will have to experience physically over there. Next few minutes, I'm going to leave you with this boat ride to experience the feeling yourself. And meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share. If you have comments or suggestion, feel free to comment in the comment box. I'll see that they will be replied as soon as possible. And please feel free to reach out to me if you need any further details about this tour or any assistance required. I will be happy to assist. After completing the onward ride, now returning back again for the same experience. For people who want more, there is more. You can see there are some people already climbed the mountain very close to the falls. Could be dangerous, but there is a way, it seems, to reach out there. Hope you have liked this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. Till next video, take care, bye bye.